Alright, what's going on guys? Dan here with Nisswa Marine. Thanks for tuning in on another quick walkthrough video. We are in a 2008 Malibu 21 VLX. This is without a doubt the perfect boat if you're just new to surfing and water sports and you want to stay under like that $50,000 to $60,000 range. This is the one. Right here we got a movable table, so this can come out if you want more room in here. Super nice seating, as you can see. There's really, they took good care of this boat. This one does have the power wedge, which is nice because you can kind of adjust the waves. You can outfit it for surfing if you'd like. Nice little Cactus dash right here with a pop-up bolster seat so you can kind of see in front of you in the back. I really like that feature. This also has the windscreen right here, so you can go ahead and slide that in and out if you want to kind of protect you from the elements. And it has a nice playpen area up here for kind of hanging out and lounging. Like I said, it does have the plumbed-in ballast system, so really cool things. It's perfect for just that starting family that wants to get on the water and check out some water sports. So this is listed on our website. It's going to be priced. It's actually going on our website pretty shortly here, so feel free to check it out. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks.